This 2020 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 221 UMD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, Skylight, oven, slide-out, TV, DVD player, smoke detector, external shower, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 221 UMD is 4,971 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.